I don't think people are going to stop buying things. I think the idea that we're going to stop buying things over some period of time is a little over exaggerated. I think the way in which we're buying things has changed. The motivation for buying things to some degree has changed. Once you deal with base needs like housing, like health, like food, a lot of what people are buying turns to experiential buying, and a lot of the ways in which people are going to buy is going to change. The vast majority of purchase still happens in physical retail. In some cases, there may be transition to full online, there may be transition to omni-channel. We're still going to see people go on a retail journey or purchasing journey that involves physical retail, that involves online, that involves phone, that involves all of these different channels. And of course that means business models are going to need to change. Of course that means business models are going to evolve. But retail as a concept, retail is not dying. People are still buying vast quantities of things.